The newly designed Chiah Chyun CT2 double spindle, double power turret, multi-axis turning center has all of the cutting versatility and speed to finish your complex mill and turn parts in a single cycle in record time, boosting your productivity and precision. Chiah Chyun's unique double turret design for the CT2 puts the Y-axis on the X-axis block, saving space and simplifying control, whilst delivering increased stability and precision cutting. The main structure is horizontally assembled on a jig to maintain the highest precision, with all components thoroughly certified before final assembly. These machines go through a combination of laser inspection, motion simulation and calibration testing, so that each of these Chiah Chyun machines will deliver optimum performance from day one. The CT2 features a built-in main spindle working with the 16-position upper servo turret and another built-in sub-spindle working with a lower 16-position servo turret, so you can complete all of your complex components cutting in a single operation. These 16-position servo turrets are produced in-house by Chiah Chyun to precisely match the performance requirements of these machines, and are all tested and tested again to guarantee performance in operation. For customers needing the most complex component machining, Chiah Chyun offers the new CT3 Mill Turn Center. So let's take a look at some of the special features of this amazing machine. For complex component manufacturers, the CT3 delivers double Y-axis machining, so you can have complex Y-axis cutting for both front and back machining without the need to share a turret. This dramatically decreases your cutting cycle time, increasing your production efficiency. The special structure design of the CT3 uses a rigid 90-degree angle for the turret carriage, so you can maintain superb rigidity and stability in machining. Additionally, this allows you to use a more simple controller specification, reducing programming complexity and saving you money at the same time. Chiah Chyun is unique in being one of the very first manufacturers in Taiwan to fully adopt the international standard Decina specification for cabling and interconnections. This is vital as it allows for fast, easy maintenance for all of the machines, reducing your downtime and keeping your engineers happy. Chiah Chyun also provides a customer-friendly design for the relay panel, with clearly marked spares, so that in the event of a relay failure, your engineer can simply plug in one of the spares and you are back up and running straight away.